Hello, hope you're all having a great day. Let's get ready together. So I like to start with Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'll link everything in the description below. I love Tatcha products. They work really well with my skin. I have sensitive skin and I've been using it for about a year now and it's been amazing. Then we're gonna go in with the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. I use the Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation from Urban Decay. I just kind of like squirt it on the top. I like this foundation because you can build up the coverage. Sometimes I want a solid coverage, sometimes I just want a light coverage, depending on what I'm doing. But today we're just gonna do a light coverage. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Color Correcting Concealer. Ooh, that one. And I like to use this shade. That's nice. See, just brightens up those dark circles. I earned those dark circles. I'm gonna be 30 in 2 days from when I'm filming this, August 27th. 30, I mean, I'm excited, but also like, holy, right? All right, let's do a little setting powder for that. I like to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the anti-aging. I like to just get a glob on there and then work it in with my fingers. I like to go up, get the eyebrow. I feel like that just helps my eyebrows to stay when I fill them in. This stuff is amazing. My eyeshadow never moves. It stays where I tell it to. And I'm gonna use the Revolution Revolution London Chilled with Cannabis Sativa. I like this one. Honestly, the whole like cover is what got me. It's so pretty. I love all the colors. And I like to go in with Relax. I do small little circles when I'm applying. Kind of work from outer lid to inner lid, and I'm just making sure that I'm really just keeping it like in the crease right here. I'm gonna need, oh here's a mirror. It's a new mirror. It's a new palette, and so the mirror hasn't gotten all like smudged and powdery. I really like this calm, like to just softly under the brow. Very nice. See, just a little bit of highlight right there. There we go. Very nice. And I'm using Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia, medium brown. I like my brows to be a little darker. I like the dark brow look. That might not be your thing. It's totally fine. I always, you get one brow done and you're like, yes, okay, that's perfect. And then you're like, gotta do the second brow. Hopefully I can match them. And then we're gonna go in with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. And I like to use this shade right here for my contour. And it's gonna be such a mild contour, like nothing crazy. Just barely dip that in there. I'm just gonna there. That's better. Soft, not too crazy. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the blush. Revolution. I like a lot of these colors, but today I'm gonna go in with this one. It's kind of like a peach. Kind of like a peach. It is a peach. You can see a bit of my rosacea. I like to just go with it. It works as a blush. It looks like you already got blush. I don't really apply it on the, on my cheeks. I apply it on the cheekbone. I start about right here, and then I work my way up to the temple. Cute. We're gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna go in with this. This is another Revolution. Oh, the blush palette was Roxy by Revolution. The highlight palette is Sophex, or Soph, this color. Okay, to finish off the eyes, I'm using ColourPop Liquid Liner, the brown. I like this liner because it's like a pen. It makes it easier for application. I'm gonna do a wing liner. And I really have no method to this. I just I go for it, and whatever it ends up being, that's what it's gonna be. I'm happy with that. Now we gotta match it. That looks good. Going back to the chilled palette, go in with Cool and just a tiny little eyeliner brush like this. And I like to just kind of see, it just kind of gives me a little bit more of a cat eye look. I'm gonna go in with that same color, Cool, and I'm gonna just do a little bit on the bottom lash line right here. Before I put on my false lashes, I like to put on a bit of mascara. This is the Arbonne Speak Volumes mascara. I love this mascara. It's the best mascara I've ever used. Okay, and the lashes I will be using are the Ardell Wispies, the 113 Black. I got these at Rite Aid in a pack of 5. I only have one left, but I'm not gonna use these ones. I have some that I've already been using. And then the glue, I love this glue, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. It comes in like a little, kind of looks like eyeliner applicator. I like this glue. It sticks really, really well. And it's easy to apply, like if just the corner pops up. It's super easy to just kind of like put up the end, apply the glue on the end, and stick it back on. I like these lashes a lot. We'll let that dry. I'm going to do my lips, but they're under a mask. I don't care. I'm gonna do my lips anyway. This is Essence Stay 8-Hour Liner Waterproof, and the color, I don't know what the color is. Cosnova Frankfurt. One of those has to be the color. I'm linking everything anyway, so we're good. I just kind of like to blur it out. I just like it to look soft. I don't like any harsh line. All right, the Morphe Setting Mist. Okay, I'm just gonna do my hair and then I'll be back. Alrighty, this is the finished look. What do you guys think?
I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!